Alright, so this is one of my favorite salads to make. Super, super easy. I get all the ingredients from the farmer's market. I use some cucumbers, different types of tomatoes. I use some sweet cherry tomatoes, sun gold tomatoes, and baby heirloom tomatoes. There's also red onions in there. Once I dice it all up and toss it in a bowl, I'm gonna top it off with some fresh lime juice or lemon juice, olive oil, pink Himalayan sea salt, toss it up, and then what I do is I like to put them in a few containers. This way I can just top them on top of any meal during the week, breakfast, lunch, dinner. I'll just throw a few scoops on there. It's really delicious, really healthy. Enjoy.
Do like a cheers.
Cheers.
Is that weird?
No, do your thing.